What's going on, everyone? Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV, coming from NAB 2023 here in Las Vegas, coming to you from CineCentral, where Adorama is the headline sponsor, along with DJI and Fujinon. You know, Fujifilm, we love Fujifilm. But here we're doing hands-on training, not just workshop, but training real deep, so that we're getting the professionals ready for today with today's technology. Now, what's going on here is workshops with people like Eric DeHaven, Tico Hernandez. We even have all women classes for camera operators, which you know we need more in this industry, and Adorama is totally all about supporting that diversity within creation. We all got stories to tell, right, as creators? Well, Adorama is doing it right here in CineCentral, especially with the 4 lab areas that are constantly running these workshops with top pros. One of my favorites was the Kodak one that came through with Ariflex, you know, actual film cameras, why we shoot film, how we shoot film, the proper ways to handle it. This was hours of in-depth workshop just on film handling and some free hats from Kodak, nice touch. It was really awesome to sit through that, and I think that we really are supporting the younger creator here and the up and coming, as well as keeping the industry going forward here at CineCentral. Beyond collaborating with just the side of camera operators and the talent and the professionals, we also got brands, right? DJI, Ronin 4D, you know, Red, you guys know cameras like Red and Svennis 2 from Sony, the Rialto system with the extension head. There's hands-on training that we're collaborating with these brands and the professionals who use these brands and this equipment to bring it to people who need to learn how to use this as a profession here in this industry. And as you can see behind me with these giant cranes and dollies, Chapman Leonard's here to get people hands-on with the big grip of this industry. You know, the stuff that you might not get access to that easily, well, it's right here for them to try with professionals right next to them, walking them through exactly what it's all about, safety, technical, all of it. So that's just like a tip of the iceberg of what we've been up to here at NAB 2023 here in Las Vegas for the 100th anniversary of this incredible show, and what a monster year. Don't forget to check out the other videos from this show. We covered about 3 days of it, plus shorts, letting you guys know all the equipment that came out from all the brands that we know. And don't forget to hit like and share this video around, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when we put up more videos like this, and let me know what you think about all this stuff down in the comments. And don't forget, you can join us for these hands-on experiences. Keep up with everything we're doing on Twitter and on Eventbrite for the Create No Matter What experiences, and hopefully we will see you next time in person. Later.